have a visitor. It's taken up by my door. Real quick. Everything is so rained on and getting ready to seed out, bloom out. I can't even begin to tell you, in this jungle I have here are actually a lot of things. A lot of mints. A lot of things going to seed. But do I have a jungle? Yes. Do I have loofah? Yes. Do I have wasp? Yes. But I have a bunch more loofah coming. They have beautiful yellow flowers every single morning. I have like 4 batches of loofah going. I was worried I didn't have any fruit on some of my stuff, but they're coming on. My little mess over there, everything is a jungle, people. But if you know where to look, I have tons of peppers. Right, Trix? My holy basil has completely taken. Oh, wanted to show you this. A new pepper, a hot one. And look at the size of those 3 plants. Tomatoes everywhere. Do you think I need to mow? We're at the point we're not really doing a whole lot of consistent weeding. I'm doing a lot of putting down mulch. My fennel seed, I have found the bugs and birds are eating all my fennel seed. So, whatever. It is what it is. I picked up harvested a bunch of my walking onions. I have a whole kitchen full. And planted a bunch, started a bunch in there. They seem to do better when you take the bulbs and just plant them. Basil, I have basil everywhere. I'm out here all the time pulling off the flowers so it'll keep going. Melons, maders, comfrey. And here, this basil plant here is absolutely stunning. I mean stunning. I'm so happy with it. My amaranth is drying and going to seed, and I decided I'm gonna let it drop, go to seed right where it is. I haven't collected the seed. I may. Not really sure. Need to research how to handle that. My mullein patch is gone. This is its 2nd year, but this is a little plant from this year. I have 2. So, yeah, we have a raspberry. We have a cucumber that's fighting. I have more cucumbers and squash and stuff that I will plant some more of. Little bottles. I don't know if you can see through the sun, but over there is my greenhouse and my sugar cane. Then the tomato walls that I built are absolutely kicking this year. So I'm making lots of tomato soup. I'm going to can a bunch of tomato soup. So in the midst of all this grass that needs to be mowed, life is great. Life is really great. There's so much food in these weeds. Y'all just don't know. And elderberry, I have a freezer full, and I've dehydrated so much elderberry. I'm kind of letting the birds and stuff have these because they got to eat too, right? Anyway, I'll do another area soon.